following safety features. Please follow along with the safety information card in your seat back pocket. Federal law requires you to follow all lighted information signs, posted placards, and special crew member instructions. Customers are encouraged to report any unwelcome or inappropriate behavior to an in-flight crew member. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten. To release the top flap of the buckle. Please keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight across your lap, even when the seatbelt sign is off, and have your seatbelt visible to the crew at all times. Your life vest is in a pouch under your seat. If instructed by the crew, tear open the pouch, remove the vest, and pull it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, clip the buckle, and pull on the strap to tighten. As you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down firmly on the right tab to blow into the tubes on both sides. Do not inflate your vest inside the aircraft. A locator light on the shoulder will turn on automatically in order. This Airbus A220 has 6 emergency exits, 2 doors in the front, 2 window exits over the wings, and 2 doors in the back. Each door is a crew evacuation slide that inflates automatically when opened. Life rafts are located in the overhead bins in the front, middle, and rear of the cabin. In the event of an emergency, leave all personal belongings and proceed to the nearest exit. All exits are clearly marked with a green and white sign overhead, and lights on the floor also guide you to the exits. Take a moment now to locate your closest exit, and remember, it might be behind you. If there's a change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop from overhead. Firmly pull a mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering, place an oxygen mask over your nose and mouth, pull the elastic band around your head, and tighten using straps on both sides. Oxygen will be flowing even if the bag is not in place. Put your mask on first before helping others. We'll let you know when it's no longer needed. If you have any questions about the safety features of this aircraft, don't hesitate to ask. We'll be coming down the aisle for one last check. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. Seat back is upright. Seat back is upright. Tray table is stolen. All can items are put away. Smoking, including electronic cigarettes or vaping, is never allowed on any JetBlue flight. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in restroom is a federal offense and could result in a fine. This aircraft has 3 restrooms, one in the front of the cabin, 2 in the back. Infant changing tables can be found in the forward restroom and in one of the restrooms in the back. Please do not flush hand wipes down the toilet and leave them in your seatbelt pocket. All our planes have free high-speed Wi-Fi. To connect, select the flyfi.com network, then head over to flyfi.com or see the card in your seatback pocket for instructions. Please keep in mind that making calls of any type while in flight is not allowed. This includes voice or video calls on mobile apps, Wi-Fi calling, and the use of video conferencing services. But the adjusting the main cabin life is a hardship. You need to visit Radio Line at WC. We'll be in the airfield. Thank you again for choosing JetBlue.
Folks, the flight deck, good morning again. We're next to go. I'd like to ask our flight crew to please be seated. Thank you.